We'll see another approach to solve this problem, maximum subarray. I have already explained this thing in a last video, and today we are going to solve this with a different approach. So this is the previous approach, we did that, and today we'll use another approach. And why I'm using another approach, this code looks smaller also, and there is a pattern here, and we'll use this pattern in other problems also. Like in the next video I will work on maximum product subarray, and I'm going to utilize the same pattern. So let's try to understand this first. So in this approach, what I do, I maintain the max and current max to variable here, and the max is our result, so that is the max. So initially I initialize minus 2 in both variables, and then my loop starts from 1, like this item, to end. And what I do, I will find the max here, like current max here, and also current max here, and current max here, and whatever is the current max I also keep checking with the max. And if the current max is higher, we update the max. So in this strategy, as we move our pointer, we also find like what is the max in this subarray. So like initially I say the -2 is the max in this subarray because there is only one item. If I consider 2 items, I'll check which is the max, whether this 1 is max, or if I add both, then that's the max. So this 1 can itself be a subarray, so I'll check like 1 is max, or if I add this thing to this, then that's a max. So 1 is max here. So that's the logic what I'm doing here. So maximum, I'm checking the current item itself, and also current max plus this item, and I'll check, okay, in this case 1 is max. If I take this example, these 3 items, and I say I'll check whether this my current item -3 is max, or what is the or the sum of this is max. So it's a -3, and if I add -5, 3 and 2, -5, and then 1. So yeah, so what we do, that will not add all those things, but we'll just directly check -3 and the current sum. The current sum was already 1, so which is the max one. So current sum, that's already 1 here, and then -3. So -3 and 1, it's a -2. So the -2 or 1, which is max. So the 1 is max, -2 is max because -3 is lower. In that way we'll maintain the max, and also we'll find which is the max between max and current max, and then we'll update the value. So let's see, let's debug this, and then we'll see how the variable is getting updated, and we'll get the better idea here. So I'm going to fix my pointer in this place, then run this. So initially you can see the max is -2 and current max is -2 because I updated -2 with this 2 variable, and now I is 1. So then the next time, like if we go to the 1 and here they will check num I, like our pointer is at this place, I is 1, so 0 1. So 1 is max, or sum of this 2 is max. So -2 and 1, -1, and this is 1. So 1 is current max, so we'll get the current max here. So move again, so we'll see the current max is 1. So this item itself is a max. Now we'll update max because the 1 is greater than -2. Then we'll move to the next and update this max here. So till here in this subarray, 1 is the max. Now we'll come to this place, and here again we'll check is a -3 is max, or summation of -3 and the current sum. Current max is 1, so which is max. So we'll see here, run, and that's -2. So -2 is max here, because when we are here, -3 is the lower, and -3 and current max 1, if I subtract that, then -2 will be the current max. In the same way, I will go to this place 4. So now I is 2, so 0 1 0 1 2, I is 2, so 0 1 2 here, so -3 here again. Okay, so still we are here itself, so we need to complete this first and then come, and now I is 3, and the current max is updated -2, so now I is 3, 0 1 2 3, so we are at here now. So again we'll check the 4 is max, like current max, 4 is current max, or the 4 plus whatever is the current -2, that's max. So of course 4 is max here, so will 4 updated, and also max will get updated. Yeah, so that's also got updated. So till here we can say that, in this sub array the 4 is max. In this way we'll just keep continue here, and we'll find eventually till here that's the max sub array. So that's all for this approach, and we'll utilize this approach in a next video also. Thank you.